Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to boost your Wi-Fi on Android device. If you are struggling with slow Wi-Fi connection, don't worry. In this guide, I will walk you guys through simple steps so you can get rid of this issue in no time. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. The simplest method is to physically move closer to your Wi-Fi router. Wi-Fi signals weaken with distance and obstacles like walls can interfere. Next, you can give first restart your router. This helps refresh the connection and boost your Wi-Fi speed. Unplug the router, wait 10 or 20 seconds and plug it back in. Next, forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi network. Navigate to settings, click on the option of Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forget this network, wait for a few minutes, then rejoin it. Next, check Wi-Fi frequency band. If your router supports dual band, 2 GHz or 5 GHz, switch to the 5 GHz band for faster speeds and less interference. 5 GHz generally offers higher performance and less congestion. Enable Wi-Fi Optimizer. Some Android devices have a feature like Wi-Fi Optimizer which automatically switches to the best network available. You can navigate to Settings, Connection, and Wi-Fi, look for Wi-Fi Optimizer or Wi-Fi Smart Network, turn it on to improve network performance. Likewise, you can use a Wi-Fi Analyzer app. You can get this app easily from the Google Play Store. This will allow you to see which channels are less congested. You can then log into your router settings and manually switch to a less crowded channel. You can then update your Android and router firmware. Keep both the Android phone and router's firmware up to date to ensure you get the best Wi-Fi performance and security. Go to your Android device settings and click on Software Update and update it to its latest version. Limit background apps using Wi-Fi. Some apps use data in the background, slowing down your connection. You can restrict background data usage to ensure faster browsing. For that, go to Settings, Data Usage, and select an app and toggle off for background data. By applying these tips, you should notice a significant improvement in your Wi-Fi connection speed and reliability on your Android device. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have got any issues, you can comment down below.